Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you fuse box location on this truck. This one is a Chevy 3500. I'm sure they're similar, the location of fuses, but first thing first, if you want to get to the OBD port to plug in for the computer or something, it's right on the steering wheel like most cars have. It's right here. That's to plug in computer or for DQ. And to get to the first fuse box location, it's right here. You just have to pull hard, just be careful so you don't break it. And there you go. I believe those are spare fuses. That's the location. And that's the tool to take out the fuses. And there's your fuses. To put it back, just line it up and close it. So to get to your second one, it'll be under the hood. You open the hood right here. So your second one is right here. And to open it, there's like a knob right here. You press on it, and knob right here on both sides. And then there's your location. It is right there. And then those are your fuses and some relays. To close it, you just line it up. Make sure this and this one clicks. Make sure it's tight. That's all I found for this one. This is, I think, aftermarket, but I'm not sure. It says LED spare. So this will be it for this one. If you know more, please comment below. Let us know. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.